cemetery right there.
I'm very excited.
Guys, you know why we are here? Because nothing but, you know, all our ancestors together worked to create this whole world that we are enjoying right now, just in the remembrance of that.
We are showing you this cemetery.
Guys, on the way we saw this, you know, very peaceful cemetery where the people can, you know, peacefully die, you know, RIP. And because it's sunset over there, there is a lake in the back and there is this thing. So guys, this is an amazing spot.
View for them, man.
Yeah, an amazing view for them, guys. Guys, there's a lot of different colors, you know. I think people have different likings, you know, towards. They have used marbles here, granite, tiles.
Flowers.
Yeah, floral tiles, guys. A lot of, you know, designs. So guys, we are walking through the road, by the road, and we saw an amazing view, guys. We'll show you guys how beautiful it is. You won't believe it. Guys, look at that. It's sunset. Guys, look at that boat going over there. This is almost like an island. I'm feeling that area. You know, it is isolated.
All the eagles flying.
Yes, guys.
Beautiful boats. Everything and the boat together.
Guys, there is a lot of boats here, guys. I can't count them. That many boats are there from here to there.
Boats. Everything looks same.
Yeah, guys, everything looks same. Let's go to that area.
I like it.
Beautiful sunset, guys. Beautiful sunset. Everyone is here. Guys, we can just aram se chill here. Yeah. Just have a cup of tea.
Fish suicided there.
Really?
Yeah. One fish suicided on the
Branches.
thorns and
I saw
branches.
that.
Transporting it might be jumped.
Yeah.
From the boat to the land.
Orphan boats are there here who are orphans. They don't
Oh my god, I think they couldn't swim till here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This place
Guys.
is amazing, guys. I like the boats. They're like parked here.
Two kids lost their way from their parents, guys.
Yeah, those are the two kids, guys. Those two boats. Small boats.
Adopt them
Boat
if you want,
parking
but
is
there is
correct
no
only.
space to adopt them.
It's more like these parents are saying, grow up to those two boats and then come to this boat.
They have some defects like damages.
Guys, this is so beautiful, guys. This is the best location here. Guys, there is a lot of boats over there. Amazing view, guys.
I like guys, this is amazing view.
These people are saying hi to us. Thank you, guys. I think
So
we
good.
Guys, amazing sunset with the boat. This is almost looking like a painting, guys. This is so painting.
paint this now.
Look at the rainbow colors of the oil.
Guys, because of the oil, there is rainbow colors on the water. Yeah. Talking about water pollution here.
It's basically that, but it looks nice. It's actually because of the boat motor, guys. Maybe because of that.
Yes, obviously.
There is nothing else.
Guys, look at that. There is another boat coming from that area.
So fast, and there is smoke coming out from that.
I think they're cooking something. Really amazing meals. Guys, it's a very amazing visual here. These are fishermen boats which goes to the sea, guys. They're repairing it here. Before going to the sea, they are repairing it. Wow, guys, it's actually really huge. Guys, you can see there is a lot of, you know, seaweeds which is here. So they are rubbing it off.
Years experience 5 years నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు అంటే సెపరేట్ గా నేర్చుకున్నారా లేదా నేర్చుకున్నారు ఎక్కడ నేర్చుకున్నారంటే సో హిస్ నేమ్ ఇస్ ఆనంద్ సో he along with his team of 5 members they do this repairing work for ships.
Okay.
He has been doing this from last 4-5 years.
Okay.
And since he's there here from childhood, he has learned it by one
Okay.
week he goes for repairing and
Oh,
the
nice.
next week he'll go for studies. And
Nice,
they have
guys.
been repairing this ship from last 3 days.
Okay.
And tomorrow almost it will be done for repairing and they will take 10,000.
So what all defects will be there once the ship come from the sea?
అంటే రిపేరింగ్ లో ఏమేమి రిపేర్ చేస్తుంటారు
CL in the
Okay,
proper.
so the thing is they repair almost everything, any repair,
The
any
motor,
part, yeah,
anything.
everything they will
Painting panni.
repair. Yeah,
Okay.
everything they'll do it, guys. If the ship is this size and if they come for complete repairing, they will take 1,70,000.
Oh.
And if the ship is huge, they will take around 2 lakhs for repairing.
Okay.
And if they are giving their own materials, if they are not taking any materials, any raw materials from
Okay.
owners, they will cost around 20 lakhs for whole repairing.
Okay.
Oh my god, so this is a very good money making, guys. So it's a skill.
It's a skill. It's a hard-working skill.
And yeah, that's it. So they are doing the repair for this ship from last 3 days.
Guys, this is a humongous ship, guys. I want to actually see the other ship which is already cleaned and kept. So they'll be painting it. So here the whole algae is cleaned, right? So this is the cleaned one, guys. It is painted like really nice. Oops, it's freshly painted. Guys, see this side of the ship, guys.
This is
They are just balancing on these poles. These are, I think it's a very heavy ships, right?
yeah.
Not
really
ships, sorry,
heavy.
boats. I'm really sorry, guys. So these are the cabins that we saw before.
nice.
Yeah, guys, this is so amazing. Guys, this is actually a lot of people can sit here.
Shit. This is so nice.
Uh-huh.
Like, I'm able to see. I'm able to see from drying fishes to fishing to fish repairing.
Boat repairing.
boat repairing. I'm able to see everything here. Actually, even though I'm staying
Visakhapatnam is known for it, guys. This is the actual beauty of Visakhapatnam.
Uppada is known.
Uppada. This is not Visakhapatnam.
No.
Sorry, guys. This is not Visakhapatnam. This is Uppada. Guys, see the beauty, guys. The sun is almost setting,
Oh my
and
God.
the boats and the river on the other side is completely green, guys.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. It's too pretty. It's
I just
so
want to
amazing.
jump into the river and do some swimming or something.
Coffee. I wish we could just sit in one of the boats and
I
just
want
row
to-
away.
Wow. Just make fish curry and have a little bit of rice in the boat.
Horizontal part.
Yeah, guys.
Beautiful.
Guys, they are coming in a raft. Bhaiya. I think they are fishing, guys. There is a lot of boats here, and also such, repairing work is going on. He's standing on top of that boat. Wow, that's an amazing visual, guys. In front of me, there is this sharp, it's dividing the whole frame into two, man. Look at the sharpness. Huh?
Like a painting.
Yeah.
Like there's water, there's the boats, and then there's that nice patch of green.
Wow.
And then the beautiful clouds. Oh my god.
Guys, this is amazing, guys. This is all the fishermen boats here. So when you see, there is like a 50, I don't know, more than 50, right? Today we saw more than 50 such boats in the sea, guys. And also in these ports we can see another hundreds and 200s of boats. I don't know how many boats are actually here in Visakhapatnam. There will be more. I don't know. I want to count it actually.
I want to go on a boat.
Yeah.
Like it's reached there. It's reached that.
Guys, so interesting, guys. Sea is calling me. I'm feeling like that. Guys, the whole place is like a, the whole area is a mess. But I think this is all remainings of the ship, right? All this area is remainings of ship. I think that the whole is repairing.
I never came
happening.
this way, man. Like, I stayed
You
at my
stay
home.
here?
I stay at my
You
home.
stay here?
I never came this way. If I known these
Guys,
things are there.
our Fortuner is parked there. So we're getting back. The whole process going on here and here. I can see the sound from everywhere. The whole people are here.
Okay, maximum ఎంత వరకు ఒక 70 లక్షలు.
I'm not understanding. Me also like, I'm like blank. Guys, we are waiting here for Nev to translate.
Oh.
Nev is also listening to everyone. She wants to translate.
వెళ్ళొచ్చేసాం.
It's hard if you don't know the language, but we are trying. Okay, yeah, tell me.
Okay guys, so the costing of the boat depends on the size of the boat. If the boat is bigger, it might stretch to 70 lakhs or something.
Okay.
If small, 20 lakhs around like that. They are saying if we move little more front, we can see bigger Sona boats and all those things.
Bye, guys. All of you. Bye. Okay, guys. We're going back to our car. It's over here. We're getting late. We are, hurrying up fast. But there is a beautiful, amazing visuals on our side. We can't deny it. Actually, we can't, we can't think like, okay, we are not stopping here. We have, because each and every place is worth stopping and seeing, guys. And worth the time. Here to have snacks.
Hungry after seeing all I'm
This is the under veggie. Mutta. This is not mutta. This is takali, guys. Tomato.
Tomato. So good.
Oh, good guys. I'm sorry. Guys, look at this cool thing.
It's nice, like tasty bhaji smelling.
Tasty veggie.
Yeah.
Everyone came to explore the kitchen.
There are a lot of things here, but he's making the other extra things. So
Guys, really nice family here, guys. They are all welcoming us like their daughter.